The general evaluator evaluates everything that takes place during the club meeting. In addition, the general evaluator conducts the evaluation portion of the meeting and is responsible for the evaluation team, the speech evaluators, accountant, grammarian, and timer. General evaluator has got the right to approach evaluators, timer, and accountant, grammarian, and how the role should be. Role he or she has to handle this before the meeting. He has to set everything. Okay, moving on to now the next role play, that is the evaluator. Evaluator will give their constructive and positive feedback to their speakers. And let me call upon the first evaluator, Toastmaster Rajalakshmi. Please put your hand together to welcome Toastmaster Rajalakshmi. Toastmaster Rajalakshmi, the stage is yours.
Yeah, thank you, Toastmaster Raghu. Once again, good evening, everyone, and a very warm good evening to my target speaker, Toastmaster Prasad, and congratulations for completing your Level 2, Project 3, Introduction to Toastmasters Mentoring. You have started your speech very well with a proper introduction and clearly explained the three types of mentors. Three types of mentors, basically by force, by choice, and of course our parents, teachers, and colleagues. And slowly you have entered into how these mentors played an important role into your life. For explaining Toastmaster Prasad as a protege, you have clearly explained three different mentoring spaces in your life. The first one was related to your father, through based on your exam failure or your stammering issues that forced you to, you were a little bit down due to these effects, and how your father helped you to overcome those inhibitions and perform well in your life. There you have clearly covered the aspect of a mentor, your father as a mentor in your life. Then you came to the next stage, next story, next occasion, where your previous manager has played the role of a mentor, where you have told that cool as a cucumber manager, your manager is a very cool as cucumber. At the same time, you were very aggressive on the other side. So from this aggressiveness, how your cool manager handled your activities and how you were able to overcome those challenges, and how you were able to change your lifestyle. For that, how the manager has helped you as a mentor. And the third one, you have explained about mentoring in Toastmasters. Toastmaster mentoring is the most important, means in the present scenario, how the mentor helps us in Toastmaster. It is not only for the speech, for entire life aspects itself, our Toastmaster mentors are helping to their mentees. So as a protege, how you were being influenced by your mentors, you have clearly explained those scenarios. Your eye contact was proper, you have used very clearly understandable English language, and body language was proper, hand gestures were also proper, it was voice was very much audible as well. At the same time, I noted down some improvement points. The first one was technical glitches. You could have clearly checked your mic and your, because we are into the online and it is almost an year, so we are very well aware of the online meeting etiquettes. So we have to be very much okay well before starting the meeting itself for the speaking or mic settings, whatever. Then I felt eye contact was very much proper, but somewhere in between I felt like you were looking at the script. I'm not very sure, so just check on that aspect as well. And another point what I felt is you could have sprinkled a little bit of humor in somewhere wherever it is necessary, because that will be very catchy and take away. The humor is the part and parcel of every speech. Though it is related to mentoring, somewhere it could have been sprinkled. So overall, well delivered speech, and I'm so happy that each speech by speech you are showing very positive improvement, and you are really a budding public speaker. So all the very best, and all these highlighted improvement points, just take care of yourself, all these points, and try to improve in your next speech. Thank you, Toastmaster. Thank you, everyone, and all the best to Toastmaster Prasad for your next speech. Over to you, Toastmaster Raghu.
Thank you, Rajalakshmi. Okay. Now, our next